This is the last box you'll ever have to pack. Welcome to 1270 Elmore Avenue. This 5-bedroom, 3-bath home located near the Greenbelt is just what you're looking for and has a huge 4-car garage. Let's check it out together. This gorgeous home has brand new windows, lots of natural light in the living room, perfect space for an entertainment area, for TV, a sectional couch, as well as bookshelves up here. You're going to enjoy this living room for years to come. This kitchen is awesome. It has its own pantry right off the formal dining room. Lots of space for all that family. And you have a breakfast bar for all the kids in mornings, stainless steel appliances. This home is perfect for entertaining and having everyone over for lots of fun. This master bedroom has plenty of space for a king-size bed, your nightstands, dressers, lots of closet space, as well as what you're gonna really love is an ensuite bath. Main floor laundry is perfect for people who don't want to go into the basement to do their laundry. Plus, with everything on the main level, you don't have to run back and forth to get that laundry done. Speaking of the basement, since we're down here, you have a whole new space for anyone who wants to stay down here, mostly kids probably, just to have a little bit of shenanigans. And with 2 bedrooms and 1 full bath down here, you get to be your own space, have your own thing, and lots of entertainment if you need. Like working on your car or need some extra storage? This place comes with a 4-car garage with its own oil pit. Save some money and have some fun. If you like entertaining people, this home has everything on the outside that you want. A gazebo to keep away from all the sun, its own space to cook and grill, even a fire pit. Everything about this home speaks entertainment, and you're gonna enjoy it too. If you wanna see this home, please schedule a showing with me. I'm Sean Boswell, 208-340-5655. Talk to you soon.